Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Yestisya Adritama Filimon with name 1482300058. I come from in University of 17 August on 1945 and I left Tarik Subtract Sidoarjo Regency. Here I will expand about the commonly used technology that is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows electronic device to exchange data wirelessly through radio waves. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. This technology allows device such a laptop, smartphone, and other device to connect in internet local network without using physical cable. But here I will tell you what is on the smartphone. Wi-Fi in smartphone has multi-user in manage to wireless connection more efficiently. Here are some of the main features. Network search or SSID. This feature allows the smartphone to detect and display a list available Wi-Fi network around. User can cause the network they want to connect to. Number two, connection automation. Some smartphones have the option an automatic connection to Wi-Fi network that have been escaped before. This can improve efficiently and and produce a smarter expense. Number three, personal hotspot or threading. Modern smartphone allow the use of personal hotspot feature to share mobile data and connection with other device via Wi-Fi. This is useful when you need to share the internet with a device such a laptop or tablet. Number four, network priority. Some smartphones allow user to set the Wi-Fi priority. For example, user and specify or other of network that should be prioritized for connection. The last feature 5. Forget network. This feature allow user to delete specific Wi-Fi network information from the list stored on the tier device. This can be useful if the user does not want to automatically connection to the specific network. The second is Wi-Fi security. Security is very important to protect personal data and prevent unauthorized access. Here are some aspects. First, strong password. Use a strong Euclid password to protect your Wi-Fi network. Avoid using passwords that are easy to guess as that a breed common word combination. Complex password can make it difficult for unauthorized parts to access the network. Second, double WPA3 if available, if impossible, on the smartphone. Use the more advanced double WPA3 security protocol. Double WPA3 provides better security than its predecessor. WPA2 and overcome some of the security invariables found in private protocol. So maybe that is all the cans say about smartphone Wi-Fi here. I'm sorry if the are wrong words, and I hope the information I can free can be useful. Thank you.